Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2005 Mitsubishi Pajero GLS, stock number 7432. It's run from the 5th 2000 to the 9th 2006. It's a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door, light fold, good private, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre, rear tailgate no dents, spare wheel, right rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 2 dents, right hand chrome door mirror, right front 17-inch factory maggot tyre, right front headlight, right scratches, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, the gear shifter, heated AC controls, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,